Hi guys, welcome to the session. My name is Prakash, Math Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. See here, in an AP, the first term is given, which is 2, and the last term is given, which is 29, and also the sum of n terms is 155 is given. So we need to find the common difference of AP. So first, let's write the sum formula. Sum of n terms, Sn is equals to n by 2 into first term plus last term. So where n is the nth term and a1 is the first term and an is the last term, or last term or nth term. Now given first term is 2, so which is a1 equals to 2, and the last term an equals to 29, and Sn is equals to 155, which is sum of n terms is 155, and find n first. Find n. N is the nth term number. So here, if you plug these three values into the sum formula, we'll get 155 is equals to n by 2 into 2 plus 29. So first move that 2 to this side. So 155 times of 2 is 310 is equals to n into 2 plus 29 is 31. So 310 is equals to n into 31, and n is equals to 310 divided by 31, which is nothing but 10. So number of terms n is 10. Okay, now find the common difference. So use nth term formula. We know that the nth term formula is an is equals to a into a1, or rather a1 into n minus 1 into d. Here we already know that the last term is given, which is an is equals to a10 is equals to 29, and the first term a1 is 2 and n is equals to 10. So if you plug all these values into this formula, we will get a10 is equals to a1 into 10 minus 1 into d. So a10 value is 29, so which is the last term. The last term is equals to the first term a1 is 2 plus 9d. Subtract 2 on both sides, so we'll get 29 minus 2 becomes 27. So 27 is equals to 9d. So 9d is equals to 27, and d is equals to 27 divided by 9, which is 3. So we can conclude that the common difference of the given AP is 3. I hope you understand this question, and thanks for watching.